third phase of voting took place, but something else happened too. The opposition parties have raised concerns with regard to the first phase and the second phase of polling. Hello, this is Amina and welcome to Mood Tiranga. Opposition parties have raised questions on the Election Commission of India. They have questioned the delay in releasing the data for voting percentage by the Election Commission of India. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also written a letter to India Alliance parties. This letter is in regards to the discrepancies in voting data released by the Election Commission of India and non-publishing of registered voters. Mallikarjun Kharge has asked if this delay is an attempt to doctor the final results. Kharge has urged the India bloc to collectively, unitedly and unequivocally raise our voice against such discrepancies. He further stated that this is the first time in history that there is a delay in release of final voting percentages. In the letter, the question is raised as to why the voter turnout data was released 11 days after the first phase and 4 days after the second phase of polling. Kharge has put in that earlier Election Commission of India has published voter turnout data within 24 hours of polling. He questioned, what has changed this time? They also asked as to why Election Commission of India has not issued any clarification to justify the delay despite being questioned many times. Kharge questioned the EVMs. He asked, is there an issue with the EVMs? The next point which Congress President has made as to why there were changes in voter turnout data from date of polling to final voter turnout data. The crucial point which Kharge has made in his letter is that Election Commission of India did not mention figures such as votes polled in each constituencies. Kharge also noted that Election Commission of India should have published the complaints which may have been filed by the political parties. Kharge has also raised questions by citing media reports as to why final registered voters list of the next phases has not been made public. The Congress party has questioned Election Commission of India. They have asked if the Election Commission of India will answer this mismanagement in basis in conducting the elections. Then he reiterated that India Alliance should safeguard democracy and protect the independent functioning of the Election Commission of India and make it accountable. So this data on total voter turnout was released by the Election Commission of India days after the first and the second phase. The reason for this delay is still not out in public. It is just the opposition questioning the Election Commission of India, and the ruling BJP has not questions for the Election Commission of India on this delay. What could be the reason for this delay from Election Commission of India is one question, and why the ruling BJP has raised no concerns is the point which should be noted. Do let us know what you think. That's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections. Also, tune into SW News English at 9 p.m. tonight for a special live. SW News Managing Editor Sujit Nair speaks to retired Commissioner of Police Miran Bhavankar on range of issues.